Hey guys, what's happening? It's Max with BizAv Media. I'm here with Matt Sincere, Manager of Sales of Engineering at Bombardier. We're gonna go check out this gorgeous Global 6500. Let's get it, Matt.
Let's go.
After you, mate. Matt, talk to us about this beautiful Galley of yours.
We love this Galley. We actually took the appliances that we developed on the Global 7500 aircraft and put them in the Global 6500 aircraft. Top one is the convection microwave oven, so dual function. The bottom one is the convection steam oven. So now, giving you new capabilities to prepare a meal in the aircraft.
Excellent. So you're going to be making me a roast dinner after this is all done.
It's going to be awesome. Here, Max, look at this. We have an enclosure, and people can bring their favorite coffee machine inside the aircraft. You prefer an espresso? We're going to give you an espresso. You prefer a Keurig? You can put a Keurig in there. Whatever the customer preference is, we're going to put it right there. After that, huge chiller area here. So you can put soda cans, you can put food, tons of storage inside the cabin everywhere.
Amazing.
This thing will be ready 11 minutes after startup of the aircraft. It will be at food safe temperature. Wow. So now the crew don't have to wait for a refrigerator to cool down at the beginning of the flight.
Brilliant. This is where you keep all the glasses, all the wine glasses, champagne glasses.
Yeah, that's it. This is an interesting business. Like, our customers are really particular about what kind of glasses they like. So we'll actually do custom inserts for them to fit any type of glass that they want. If they want like a certain brand or they prefer another one, we'll do custom inserts for them for all of their dishes and all of their glassware.
Sensational. In the Global 7500, somewhere here along these lines was a sink. Do you have one of these in here?
I have a sink right here.
There's the sink, there you go.
And I can just take that part off, and then I have the sink hidden there. If I need more counter space, I just push the dish back. If I need a cutting board, I have a cutting board on the other side.
I like that, that's clever right there. And you've got like a little tissue roll there and everything else.
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent. What's in these cupboards here?
That's it. Like now you're gonna have your ice drawer here. After that, you're gonna have storage here for all your dishes, cutlery. That's going to be stored there. Big trash compartment here.
Oh, that's massive.
Yeah, and you need a massive trash because those aircraft will fly for 13 hours. Exactly. So you're going to accumulate a lot of stuff in there.
Exactly.
Okay, Matt. When we came in, we were looking here. What is this bit all here? What can we see in here? Can I have a look?
Yeah, please. So this area here is all the crew area. And obviously this aircraft can fly for 14 hours. Pilots cannot fly for 14 hours, so we need more pilots, so we need another seat. This area here is a media bay. Yeah. And what's special about this media bay, I have my HDMI outlet in the back. I have power outlet in there. This place is also ventilated. Okay. So if in case anything heats up, we're gonna cut the power to this, so we're gonna avoid any issues with an Apple.
So the HDMI cable, that means I can put like a laptop in there working with a live feed going through?
The best thing would be an Apple TV. If you want to control all your entertainment, have songs in there or have different stuff, you could put an Apple TV, you could put other equipment.
Okay, all right. And what's in this next one here?
Yeah, these are all storage. I mean, obviously the flight attendant needs a ton of storage, so these are like little iPhones that people can use just to control the cabin. Different functions in there, and after that, all storage, extra storage for the flight attendant.
Nice little touchscreen controller. God, I could do one of these at home. Do I need to do anything before I close it in and put it in?
No, you just need to press home to open, and it's gonna enable you to. It's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi.
That was quick. That was quick connections. Really
then you can control any cabin function with this. If you want to control the lights, if you want to control flight info.
Media.
Yeah, but people can do that with their own phone.
So you've got an app that you can put
on
on your phone.
We've got an app, people bring in their own phone. These are just spare because now everybody has a smartphone and they connect to the cabin.
But it makes sense if your iPhone's not charged and you're charging it, you need to use it.
We always have a spare to
that's
control.
Really good, really nice. What's this one? What's this?
That's the forward lavatory.
The forward lavatory. Do you mind if I have a look?
Please.
Wait. Look at this. Fine, you can't.
Look, bruv. Where have you seen a switch to flash the toilet? And like you've got a mirror in front of the toilet, so you're sitting there, you can check yourself out and make those facial expressions.
This is Raven Beats.
Look. Toilet roll. Tissues. some lady stuff. This thing here, toothbrush, toothpaste, it's going all down in here, man. Love it. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. You're a gentleman.
Hey, you
Look at that.
taught
You
me
see
the
that?
trick.
This is the treatment that you get when you come on a Global 6500 with Maxon's here. Nowhere else. Matt, talk to us about this cabin.
The first thing I'd love for you to try out is the nuage seat on the Global. That's uncomparable in the rest of the industry. So, nuage seat.
Do you mind?
Yeah, please. So, nuage is French for cloud. So it's like sitting on a cloud. The first thing you're gonna try is this little lever here, and then you can move the seat. And it moves like super nicely, you're gonna see.
That's kind of cute. So
Everything's on ball bearing and the motion is super nice. We actually switched two mechanisms. So now, like all previous seats have a rotation mechanism and a tracking on top of it. So if you track your seat, your rotation is behind you, not like a normal seat. This one, we switched them. So now the rotation is right underneath your axis, like a normal chair, and it moves beautifully all the time. No seat tracks exposed, no nothing.
it's very smooth. Does yours move?
They all move.
Oh, they all move.
Yeah, you'll take this
Yeah,
one.
there we go. Let's.
Now the next step, Max, you're gonna hit the back button here.
Okay.
And you're gonna see there's a recline function.
Woo!
And not sure if you noticed, but the seat pan dipped as you were reclined.
Yeah.
And now, Max, your head is looking for support. You want to still look forward to the camera, so I'm gonna have the unique tilting headrest here that's gonna come and cradle your neck. Now you can be in a reclined position, comfortable in your seat. You can watch TV in front, you can speak to the person, but still be in that reclined position.
I must say this is super comfortable, very comfortable. I don't want to move. I think we're done. I'm going to sleep.
You're gonna press the first button here. That's gonna bring back the leg
Nice
rest.
and easy.
And then the back button, and you just lift your weight forward, and that the whole thing comes
But
up
it
back
kind of
up.
done it for me. I didn't even have to lift my weight forward.
That's it.
That's amazing.
The elegant storage here, if you just pull. So, you know, if you want to put a magazine, the safety stuff. These are all electric window shades. It's just a little button here if I want to put the windows up. It's all electrical window shade.
Click of a button.
Click of a button like this. The table here, you just open up the top part and then push it in. Push
Lovely,
it comes
lovely.
out.
There you go. It pops right out. So we can sit down, have a meal.
See, it's a nice width
Yeah, it's a nice
table
width, yeah.
too.
Talk to us about this finishing. This is gorgeous stuff as well. I mean, what is this?
Max, you have no idea how many hours goes into that finishes.
Really?
You have artisans
Yeah.
in the company that will sand and sand and sand. They finish with a sandpaper that's P3000. And if you know, like it's like sanding with a magazine
Yeah.
paper.
Yeah.
That's the roughness that they get the final finish on.
Wow. So how long does it take to do the finishing? I mean, I guess that someone comes to you.
So a bulkhead like this, Sam, Max, like they'll get in and they'll sand for 8 hours.
8 hours sanding.
So it is really like a crafted aircraft.
And this is like a little storage room.
This is where you have your plug, the USB. Here you can put a plug-in if people want to have an iPad in there. Like we can have an iPad holder that can be right in front of you to watch a movie.
The lights working or?
Yeah, the light's working. We're gonna put the lights
Put
here.
something like, ooh! Yeah? You see that? And I got light control here as well. The lights there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
That's your own reading lights, and that my reading lights is here, and my call attendant button.
What's this one here?
This is a table light,
Oh, okay.
the middle one, and this is the call attendant.
And coolie attendant. Somebody give me a bottle of champagne, please.
So after that, you can see this cabin here is super clean. I mean, there's no like writings like on the wall. We kept it very clean. The placards are, you know, to try to hide it as much as possible. There's no seam on the headliner, and you know, this is a complicated piece to enter in the aircraft. When you think about it, it's a 25-foot long headliner that we fit through the front door. So that's like the craftsmanship you get at Bombardier. Like we go through the like difficult step just to, you know, make it clean for the customer.
Amazing.
Max, you like the nuage
I love it.
seat?
Absolutely.
You're gonna love the nuage chaise. So see, I'm at a conference grouping here. People are having a dinner. You can join in the dinner, have a conversation with them. This is a really social area in the aircraft. This is why people like to gather. You can gather 7 people, 8 people around this area and be comfortable. Now this piece of equipment can also turn into the lounge chaise.
Wow.
So I can turn this, and I have the leg one here, super elegant. And now try this. You will want to spend the rest of the flight there.
You know what? You're right. You're right. I don't want to move.
Like you can spend hours and hours here. You can, read your text. You can, with the Wi-Fi that we have on the aircraft, you can read a book or, just take a nap on this area. And now we've done dual function. This is just to do your plug for your monitor.
Yeah. I mean, this is gorgeous. I mean, I love this. Now you see me? Now you don't. I love it. Again, this dining table, gorgeous. I mean, so this is where everybody just chills out, relaxes.
This is really the gathering area or the conference area. If people want to have a meeting, this is a place where you can, have a business meeting, be, 7, 8 people around here and really have a discussion.
That's amazing. I mean, I love it. Look at the cutlery, the finishing again on the table. 8 hours just sanding it down. and do these seats, I assume, go back as well if you want to sit down in these seats?
Yeah, that can also turn into a bed if you, put the table down. This is just a simple gas strut, so I can put the table down like this.
Yeah, same movement.
Same movement.
There's a little light here. Oh, there's a light on the chair.
There's a light here for reading light.
Aircon, reading lights, beautiful. LEDs behind the
all
panel.
LEDs, yeah.
Amazing. All again on all sides of the aircraft. Pushing a button, blinds go up. Sorry, blinds go down, blinds go up. Click of a button, and there's quite a few buttons here as well. There's some. Is this connected to in-flight connectivity?
Yeah, this is a volume control mostly. So you have your volume there. You have you can select your source if you have an audio jack linked in there.
And you see underneath here, Dan, Devil's always in the detail. There's some electric switches there as well. So if you want to charge your iPhone while you're just sitting there and you're not using one of those. Thinking outside the box again, someone's sitting there having a cup of tea or a dinner and they want to charge their phone.
And most of the time we put universal outlets, so people come in with European outlets or North American, they can all charge. I mean, this is a global aircraft.
These seats are too comfortable. Let's try it out.
And finally, like just walking in this room, you can feel how quiet this area is. This is actually the quietest area in a global aircraft, Max. And like what's amazing about this area is, since all the crews have, they have a lavatory up front, they have the galley up front, the cockpit is up front. The principal can close off that bulkhead here and have a private bedroom with a private aft lavatory.
Is this how I close it?
Yes, door release.
See you later.
Then we need to close.
Okay.
Gonna do this.
So we're back. We're back. Thank you, that was excellent. So this is where the principal can just take his time out, chill out.
That's it, he can chill out. Nobody's gonna go through his cabin. He has his personal lavatory. Everybody else can use the lavatory up front, so he's sure to get like a good 8 hours of sleep undisturbed by anybody. And this is the quietest section, which is surprising because the engines are just in the back there, but in the Global, they're past the baggage compartment. They're way far, so they don't make as much vibration. And you can see around, we can go outside and I can show you around the engine. There's a nice shaping of the fuselage, which removes all aerodynamic sound in that zone here.
Talking about the engines, Matt, I'm being told that this aircraft has the brand new Rolls Royce engines on it. Can you talk to us a bit about that?
We worked with Rolls Royce. We were the first aircraft on the Global 6500 to introduce the Pearl engine on this aircraft. We were the first application. Rolls Royce fabricated it specifically for that aircraft as a first application.
Excellent. What is the height of this cabin?
This is 6 foot. I'm 5'11". This is probably 6'1".
6'1".
Yeah.
Are you comfortable in there? You're 6'1".
Yeah.
You say yeah. Should check out the lav.
Yes, please. All global lavatory are always configured this way. We have have the toilet on one side, the sink, because customers like to have a lot of storage. This is a huge wardrobe that we have in the aircraft, massive, that we have on the other side. Global aircraft also have windows in the lavatory. You know, I'm being told that to put makeup on, you want natural light. So
yes, absolutely.
so definitely, this is a big, you know, advantage.
If she wants to do a lipstick or a mascara or foundation,
You have
whatever
natural
it is,
light, yeah.
if she's got her Huda Beauty products ready, she can come in here and do her thing. So, is there a shower in here?
We don't have a shower in here. We can install a shower in this aircraft. It was an amazing experience. You know, on the flight you get sticky, you get you know tired. Your clothes are kind of sticking on you. I took a shower in the Global aircraft. I came out of there refreshed. My body felt good, and I was hydrated also during that flight. It was an amazing experience.
You must be using products by L'Oreal. This is amazing. And obviously, again, you've got a screen here giving us an indication of movements of the aircraft, and I guess it can turn into TV and everything else.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you know, the other thing the Global are known for, Max, is the smooth ride of the aircraft. We can go around the aircraft and I can show you why, but mainly this aircraft has a leading edge slat. Not to get too complicated, but the leading edge slat allows the wing to be smaller in cruise. So it's like an umbrella. If you are to carry a small umbrella outside on a stormy night or a large umbrella, the large umbrella has much more chance to offset your balance.
Wow.
So in cruise, we're carrying a smaller wing due to the fact that we have a slat on the aircraft, and that wing is thin and very flexible. You can actually, we're gonna go together outside and you're gonna flex the wing. This is a 100,000-pound aircraft. You're gonna be able to flex that wing with one hand.
Wow. One hand. I'm gonna flex it. That's excellent. I mean, so how much does this Global 6500 cost us?
Oof, Mark. That was a question I wasn't ready for. What's the list price of the aircraft?
I'll get you the US list price because it changed from year over year.
But if you know Max, you can give me a call and I'll get you a discount.
This is the most amazing cockpit in business aviation. This is the Vision flight deck that we have on the Global. This is the most advanced technology that we have on the market. Just to give you, one example, this was the first aircraft to put synthetic vision on the head-up display. So now pilots have a computer-generated image of what they should be seeing, and they're looking out where they should be looking.
Is this the handbrake?
This is a parking brake, yes.
Yeah. I don't even know what all these buttons are for.
So this, all of this is your radio control. So now you see VHF, like very high frequency. Those are all radio frequency. Which one are you going to use? After that, these are the throttle. This is like for your flight spoilers. If you want to, the aircraft to come down, it's going to dump lift on the aircraft. These little mouse here that you can play with are all controlling, what's on your screen. So you can see. Now I'm scrolling with the mouse. I can control anything there. I have a nice, in case of turbulence, I have a nice place to rest my hand and operate the mouse, so like nothing is moving, I'm still in control. After that, anything here, all the functions on the Global Max, as simple as possible, okay?
Yeah.
Everything's automatic, okay? If everything is operating under normal mode, nothing will be lit up. So with a quick glance up, if all the switches are pointing to 12 o'clock and if no buttons if there's no light, it means everything is operating as it should, normal. So the Global is only going to tell you, it's going to distract the pilot's attention if it needs the pilot's attention. Sure. Otherwise, everything's normal. Just quick glance, everything's working normal.
Amazing. Excellent. It's a lovely cockpit. It's a nice size as well.
It's a nice size.
It's a nice size.
People appreciate. I have storage on the side.
Storage on the side.
I have plenty of room here.
They've got room for their iPads in there. They've got a torch. They've got everything going on there.
We got a lot of inspiration. See, nice leather, stitch yoke.
Yeah, it's lovely leather. Look at this. I mean, again, the devil's in the detail. And the stitching is just superb. I mean, Look at this aircraft, it's immaculate. The cabin's gorgeous. I mean,
Yeah.
even the lavatory, I mean, the cockpit, is the galley.
Yeah,
I mean,
and we
this
were
is-
able to
this is-
integrate, like the pilots love the sheepskin
Yeah.
because they don't get warm on
Yeah.
long flights. They have
Yeah.
to stay there for
Yeah,
sitting down for a
7 hours,
long
yeah.
time. But we were able to integrate it in a nice way, a nice elegant way
It feels nice.
in the
It
cockpit.
feels nice, and it feels like someone's massaging my back.
Those are long flights, Max.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, let's go outside.
So Max, you've been working out?
That's right.
Don't need to work out too much. You're gonna see it's pretty easy. So Global has the most flexible wing in business aviation. We're gonna come all the way to the tip here. An aircraft that can lift 100,000 pounds on takeoff, and you're gonna flex the wing with one hand. Put one hand here, and you can actually push the wing up and down, and notice the flexibility of that wing. This wing will absorb turbulence,
Amazing.
so that you don't feel it inside the cabin.
Amazing. And this wing is designed by Bombardier itself.
Yeah, designed all by Bombardier.
Excellent. So this winglet belongs to Bombardier. Period.
This is all a Bombardier design that we did.
So let me ask you the final question. How much does this aircraft cost?
This aircraft is a $58 million US aircraft.
And if you call Max, do I get a discount?
If you call Max, maybe you'll get one at $58 million.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Matt.
Thank you. That was fun.
Appreciate it. Thank you.